How to schedule auto-replied for iPhone iCloud mail. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then tap on the Apple account name at the top. Next, we go down and tap on iCloud. Then in here, tap on the CO button. Next, tap on iCloud Mail. From here, we scroll down and tap on Auto Replied. Now to set a schedule, make sure you turn on Send Auto Replied and then tap on Start Date and set a start date. And then turn on End Date and set an end date. So let's say if you are out of the office for 3 days, and you can set the start date on the 15th of February and it ends on the 18th of February. And you'll be back to office at 9 a.m. Okay, so after that, we go down to the out of office, auto replied message, and put in your custom message in here. And then tap on the accept button. And that's it. From now on, any emails arriving into your inbox will get automatically replied to the sender. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.